everyone, so this video is related to a very trendy topic of the IT industry, and I hope this video helps you to learn your certification and course free of cost. My intention is to give you some resources so that at least you can have free courses, free certification. So first off, we can have Coursera. This is also an online platform, but I don't think this is free. Yeah, it can be free or give some discount if you put like a student, or like it will give you a free discount, but it is not completely free either. It can give you that course of data science in 200 and 300 bucks. But the best part is that in Coursera they are partnered with top universities to offer courses and certification. They have an amazing selection of free data science courses from universities. But personally, what I have done, I go through edX, and in edX most of the data science courses I have done from edX because it is completely free. So I will show you how I have started my courses, how I register for free. Even I have registered for free, and after that I have started my data science journey. I type edX free data science course, and after that I got all the links, and then I click on this best online data science. Then I go to here, and I already registered in this course, so you can also register for free. After doing registration, there is a link where you can select your course, and after selecting that course, what I have I got all the like machine learning basic conditional probabilities, and then you can start your course. Even you can download.
In this video, we make a connection between conditional probability.
All of the courses that is available on edX, most of the courses are free. This is how you can learn, and the best part is in edX there is not only one course, there is the course for different topic. Like you can select Python, you can select IBM data science, you can select states and data science, probability, and here are the different topics which you can explore. I am doing my this probability topic first, but you can also do introduction to data science with Python, and here all of the professors are from Harvard University. So this is a genuine course. The best part is that these are very comfortable courses, and you can easily understand. Here is the like a video is translated into the English, and you can download the files and you can do your courses free. In edX, they collaborated with the top universities of Harvard and MIT. And if you don't want to learn from edX, you can have another resources like DataCamp and Kaggle. These are also having like data science program, but personally I have done edX. So here you have it, folks, and these free resources will help you to get started with data science and improve your skills without breaking the break. Remember, learning is a continuous journey, and it is a continuous process. It is essential. It is very necessary to stay updated with latest tools, technology, and methodologies. Thanks for watching. I shall see you in the next video, and once I have like completed this course, then I will share my feedback also. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content related to data science and other topics. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, family who might be interested in learning data science. Happy learning!